You're here because you're either a veteran or an active duty service member. And you're probably looking at homes right now wondering how you're going to come up with a down payment. Stop right there. Because there's the benefit attached to your service that most lenders never fully explain, and it could save you thousands. I'm Jason Kindler, co-founder of First Coast Mortgage Funding. I've spent over 15 years helping families buy homes right here in Northeast Florida. We're based in Jacksonville, home to NAS Jax, and helping veterans and military families use this benefit is one of the things we take most seriously. Today, I'm going to walk you through the VA loan, what it actually does, what it actually costs you, and what nobody tells you. So what is a VA loan? It's a mortgage-backed benefit by the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. The VA doesn't lend you that money directly. They guarantee a part of the loan, which means that lenders can offer you terms you simply can't get anywhere else. Here's what that looks like in real life. Zero down payment, not 3%, not 3.5%, zero. So here's an example. On a $400,000 home, a conventional buyer is bringing $20,000 to $80,000 to the table, depending on their down payment. You bring zero. That's the biggest single advantage this benefit gives you, and it removes the #1 barrier standing between most buyers and homeownership. And get this with a conventional loan. If you put down less than 20%, you pay private mortgage insurance every single month until you build enough equity. With a VA loan, there is no PMI. So on a $400,000 loan, that could save you $150 to $250 a month, every month, for years. That's not a small number. That's a car payment you get to keep. Because the VA backs the loan, lenders take on less risk. That typically means your rate is at or below what a conventional buyer gets. Over 30 years, that difference adds up to real money. VA loans have more flexible credit and debt-to-income guidelines than conventional loans. And here's something most lenders won't tell you even if you don't automatically qualify. We do manual underwriting, where we advocate for our veterans to get you into a well-deserved home. We fight for you. That's the difference between working with us and getting a number from a call center. I want to be straight with you about one thing. VA loans do come with a funding fee. It's a one-time charge that keeps the program funded for the next generation of veterans. The amount depends on your service history and whether it's the first time using the benefit. The good news is you can roll it into the loan. You don't have to bring it to closing out of pocket. And if you have a service-connected disability rating, you may be completely exempt from it. Know about it, plan for it. For most veterans, it's absolutely worth it. If you've listened this far, you're probably thinking, okay, this sounds like me. Who actually qualifies? Generally, 90 consecutive days of active duty during wartime, or 181 days during peacetime, or 6 years in the National Guard and Reserves. Surviving spouses of veterans who died in service from a service-connected disability may also be eligible. The fastest way to confirm is to pull your certificate of eligibility as part of your pre-approval. We handle that. You don't have to figure that out alone. And get this, you can use your VA benefit more than once. If you've used it before and paid it off, or even if you still have an active VA loan, you still may have remaining entitlement. This isn't a one-time coupon. It's a benefit you can use across your entire homeownership journey. Getting a home and qualifying for a mortgage can feel stressful, but that's exactly what our team at First Coast Mortgage Funding is here for. We're here to make this process stress-free and easy, and to make sure your service actually unlocks the door to homeownership it was always meant to. Ready to buy your home? Click the calendar link in the description to book a quick 15-minute strategy call with a First Coast team member. Drop a comment below and tell me which branch you served in. Thank you for your service. We cannot wait to get you into a home, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly tips to help you buy with confidence right here on the First Coast.